Welcome, hola, hola. Welcome to the first day of our Sit and Fit Challenge. I'm Clarita Bassett. Now, some of you know me from my studio, Absolute Best in San Pedro, California. I'm a fitness expert. I'm an entrepreneur and I'm an author who has worked in the wellness industry for almost 50 years. And my friend, Vanessa Moreno, has been in the fitness industry, or the wellness industry really, for more than 30 years. So together, we've amassed like 80 years of knowledge and experience working with clients who want to look and feel their best. Now, in my 20s, I was a professional dancer, and I started introducing myself to the fitness world by teaching aerobics back in the early 70s. Eventually, I became a health club and fitness studio owner and learned all aspects of the industry. You know, I observed over the years that many of my clients and fitness enthusiasts just couldn't or wouldn't get down on the floor for whatever reasons, because of certain limitations, or they were just beginning. If you're new and you're a beginner to training, you need to feel a gentle way of launching into a program. Or if you have a physical limitation that doesn't allow you to move down or up off the floor easily, you need Sit and Fit. You know, everybody needs to feel a sense of success when they start an exercise program. So our goal is to lead you down the path of least resistance by introducing you to Sit and Fit and Chef Amor. And Vanessa Moreno, my friend, has also been a dancer. That's how she got started in the industry. She started teaching aerobics, aqua aerobics, but she was in the hotel industry, right?
Yes, that's when I started working as a staff for activities for a hotel.
So as a staff member, she was in charge of coordinating activities for the hotel. And at that point, she started getting into a little bit of
being
cooking.
Conscious, yes.
Yeah,
being conscious about what you eat, how the food works in your body.
How important it is in your body.
And later, I was a flight attendant, and that's when I had more time to study more deep into my yoga and more into the fitness, and also that was my
introduction.
My beginning, yes, my introduction into the cooking, healthy cooking. And later, when I grew up, I was a mother, and I decided to stay here in Costa Rica. So in these ways, I got more deep into the healthy cooking and healthy eating, and especially what I call the cooking with your heart.
That's why she's called Chef Amor.
Yes.
Chef Amor cooks with intention, and she's going to teach us how to do that.
That's very important. To me, that's what it matters the most, because you get a good intention in your food, and that's what your body will receive.
Your body takes in what you put in. So if you set the intention, that's what's going to make all the difference. You know, whether you have a physical limitation or you're just starting, you want to be able to do exercises without really having to get down on the floor. That's why I invented Sit and Fit. And it's actually a great way, if you're a beginner, to commit yourself to a program.
A good program.
It's a great program. So what our 5-day challenge will do is it'll teach you how to integrate some of the materials that we teach. For instance, we have on the first session of our Sit and Fit program what the 11 body systems are all about. And you're going to learn how all the different systems in your body function. Then we have the second video, which is Sit and Breathe, and how you can relax, breathe in, breathe out, and connect with your mind, body, and spirit. Then we have a Sit and Fit body systems workout where you really just start firing all the different body systems. You have Sit and Fit to the core, where you stimulate your core, aspects, and all the core muscles really stimulate your digestive tract, your adrenal glands, all of those things get stimulated. All of your systems get stimulated with our exercise program. And the last one is Sit and Fit to the Max, which is a comprehensive program that, if done regularly, you will be taken to the next level of fitness and health. And we're now creating our Chef Amour's recipes, easy, fussy, instant recipes. And they are meant to augment your fitness program. It's essential to integrate nutritious meals into your life to become strong, healthy, and wise. Today's program is intended to teach you about the 11 body systems and how they synergistically work together to keep you balanced, healthy, and well. Now, the 11 body systems are: 1, the circulatory and cardiovascular system. Then you've got the digestive and excretory system. You've got the endocrine system, the integumentary system, the immune system, the muscular system, the nervous system, the renal and urinary systems. You've got your reproductive systems. You've got your respiratory system, and the skeletal system. That's a lot of systems. But we're going to touch upon all of them in just a moment. But first, we want you to be a part of the program by getting a nice sturdy chair and get ready to do some sit and fit exercises. So the first thing you want to do is get a nice sturdy chair. Make sure that you're sitting at the very front part of the chair. Sit nice and tall with a nice straight back, and we're going to work our quads, and we're going to stand up. When you do, make sure that your feet are firmly into the ground, that you really concentrate on tightening up your quads.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And we're going to stand up and down. Pull your belly button into your spine, okay? And here we go. Inhale.
How many are we going to do?
I don't know. How many do you want to do? I usually do 20, but you can do 5.
Yeah, start with 5.
5, and then if you think you can do 10, go ahead and do 10, and then if you can do 20, keep coming with us. We might do a little more than 20.
If you do 5 and you found out that you're feeling good and you want to feel better, keep going.
Keep going. Now, I feel my muscles in my thighs. I feel my heart pumping. I'm stimulating the muscles in my body, my skeletal system, my respiratory system. I'm breathing in and out.
I'm sweating.
It's very, very good to activate all of your gastrointestinal systems so that you can go easy, right? Go easy. Take it easy. Let's do about 5 more.
Okay.
We
have like 20 now, but that's fine. I'm feeling great. So I keep going.
How are you guys? Last one.
Let's go.
Very good.
Bravo. Muy bien.
Muy bien hecho.
Great.
All right, so let's stop for a moment. Hands here. Do you feel a difference? How's your heart? Is it beating a little bit faster? It is. Give yourself a moment and let it calm down. You know what they say? One of the best ways of measuring your fitness level is to see how quickly you come back to your base homeostasis. So if your heart rate goes back to a resting rate fast, then that means you're in good shape. Good. So I feel like my heart recovered already. So it's how fast can you recover is more important than anything else. That determines your fitness level.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to do another exercise for the abdominal area. All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the arms straight up. You're going to have a nice straight spine. You're going to extend one leg out in front of you, and you're going to lean your body back a tiny little bit. Then you're going to bring the knee in and round your body forward. Extend your back, contract your back. Inhale, exhale. I'm going to keep going.
I will.
And I'm going to show you, side view, how the back changes. So you go lean back, contract.
Well, I can feel my abdominals right now.
When you lean back, you really crank up the abdominal area. Keep going. 4 more. 3 more. Last 2.
And we can do it slow too, right?
That's right. 1 more. And relax. Let's change sides. And let's do the other leg, because you know what? This is all about balance. So if you do one side, you want to do the other side.
We have to, right?
And maybe Vanessa can show a slower
I will do
speed.
it. Yeah.
Okay? So leaning back, extending the leg out, and we're going to do about 10 times.
It's slow. Just concentrate about your abs, about working up your abs. Round your back. Inhale.
Exhale. Inhale out. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale. I'm going to complete my 10. And relax.
Give
Excellent.
yourself an applause. You see how important if you have a partner?
That's right.
That's
You
what we
know,
were talking about.
it really makes sense. That's why when we were promoting this challenge, we were telling you guys, share this with a friend, do this with a friend. You're only getting a little bit of an excerpt of what our Sit and Fit exercises are like on our online course. But this is great stuff. I mean, you don't have to get down on the floor. You can sit on a chair.
And you're working your heart, you're working your abs, your legs, all your body. All your body is working. Your digestive system,
That's
everything.
right. Everything is stimulated all at the same time. Your body works synergistically. And these exercises, you can take this library of Sit and Fit classes that we have available online. Go to work with your cell phone, and during lunch, sit and fit at your desk. Not a problem.
Yes.
All right, so we're going to do one more exercise, and it's going to be for the waistline. You know, everybody wants that hourglass figure. Well, check this out. I'm going to put my fingertips here, but Vanessa, you're going to do something else.
Yes. If you're not able to get your hands to your shoulders, or if you have an injury, you can do this, or you can pull your hands down. What do you think, Clarita?
I think you do it like that, and
All right.
I'll do it like that.
Awesome.
So we're going to go side to side. Make sure that you place your feet firmly into the ground. You know what I always like to say? Put the little tiny tendons in the back of the knees. Make them really tight and push your feet down into the ground. That's going to automatically stimulate your quads, and it's going to stimulate your abs. We're going to go right and left. Inhale on one side, and then exhale center. Inhale on one side, exhale center. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Again, and let's do
show
about
you one with the hands down.
4 more. And 3. Good. Keep going. 2 more. And last one. Excellent. Not bad. And listen, we're going to stretch out a little bit, and I'm getting a little bit thirsty because we're exercising in the tropical climate of Costa Rica. So here's a way to stretch out your spine. Take one hand back behind you. If you could put it around the chair, go ahead. If you can't, Vanessa will show you a modifier. But I'm going to put it back behind me on the chair and stretch the chin over the shoulder. Inhale and exhale. And then you're going to reverse to the other side, cross the other leg, one hand on the knee. Rotate your body, place your hands back behind you or around the back of the chair. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Back to center. Wow. I'm thirsty.
I feel good, too. Okay, I will get ready to show you how to do a cleansing water.
Very good.
Sorpresa! Look what I have here. Surprise! So, first, we got this beautiful papaya from here from Costa Rica. We love papayas, and papayas love you because they're really good for you. So what we're gonna do, first we're gonna start cutting the papaya. Clean out the seeds out of the papaya. Take out the skin like we did here. And cut it in little pieces, just like that. Little pieces. Very important we are in Costa Rica, so here we have really good papayas. But if you happen to have to get the papaya at the supermarket, it's okay. If you put a good intention in this papaya, it doesn't matter where it comes from. Like, a good intention could be like it's gonna be good for you, so it will be good for you. It's all energy. So energy in our head, energy here, and the product is all good. It's love. So this is our cleansing water. It's very easy and you're gonna love it. I have two glasses because I have Clarita and I have to share with her, of course. So very easy. Just take the papaya, squares or chunks or the size that you want it, put it inside the glass, just like that. Clean your hands. Take water. Just like that. Guess what? It's ready. If you want, you can let it sit for 10 seconds or 5 minutes. It's up to you. But to me, this is ready. And just get all these good nutrients into your body.
I want to taste, I want to taste, I want
Yes,
to taste.
here, Clarita. Get all these good nutrients into your body. Salud.
Salud.
Isn't it great?
Qué rica.
So you eat the little chunks of the papaya with the water, and it's so refreshing. And if the papaya is cold, it's even better.
You know what? I love papaya. It's sweet, it's juicy, and it's
good for your skin.
It's great for your skin, great for your digestive system because it stimulates all the enzymes. It's got enzymes in it. So it helps your body feel healthy. Cheers.
Cheers, Clarita. Thank you for being here with us this day.
Welcome.
See you tomorrow.
Ciao.
Bye. Adios. Ciao.